Dear students, welcome to SCPS online live class 5 English version. Dear students, this is your Kamrul sir and I hope you and your family are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, you know already we completed exercise 11A. Now we will start exercise 11B. Dear students, at first we need to discuss some formula to solve our exercise 11B. Now dear student, we can start. Dear students, look, already I have written some formula. Look, number 1, area of a parallelogram. What is the formula? Already you know, base into height square unit. What is the square unit? This is our unit. Why I have written unit? Because we don't know this is centimeter, meter, kilometer. So we have to write unit. Clear? Square means indicate the area. When area, formula will be area, must be you have to write square. This is the short form, SQ dot. Clear? Okay. So go to the another one, area of a triangle. Look, base into height divided by 2 square unit. Base into height divided by 2. So this is the related area of parallelogram and area of triangle. So we can say area of the triangle half of the area of parallelogram. Clear? Base into height, and it will be base into height divided by 2. Very simple. Now go to the area of a rectangle. Now length into breadth square unit. Also you can say length into width square unit. Breadth and width both are same meanings. Okay. Now number 4, area of a square. One side into one side square unit. Why one side, or you can say side into side, length into length? Because in a square we know all sides are equal. Rhombus and square, all sides are equal. So area of a square will be one side into one side, or length into length, or you can say side into side. This square unit. So exercise 11B, we have to use these 4 formula of area. Area of parallelogram, area of a triangle, area of a rectangle, and another area of a square. Good. Now dear student, in the box you can see that 100 meter square or square meter, both are same. This is the short form to written the square meter. 100 meter square equal 1 r. These are not in English auxiliary verb. These are in our mathematics. We can say 100 meter square when the area is 100 meter square. In shortly we can say 1 r. Clear? This is one kind of measurement. Now another one, 10,000 meter square. 10,000 meter square. This is called 1 hectare. So what will be the relation between r and hectare? Yes, look, we can say 100 r. 100 r makes 1 hectare. Clear? If we divide 10,000 by 100, then answer will be 100. So we can say 100 r, it will be 1 hectare. Clear? This is the relation between r and hectare. So dear students, now another topics, perimeter. Now dear student, what is the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. This is the shortcut we can say. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Suppose this is a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. Okay. So we can say this is our length. Also this is our length. This is our breadth. And also this is our breadth. So perimeter means sum of all sides. So you can say perimeter of a parallelogram. What will be the sum of all sides? That means length plus another length plus breadth plus another breadth. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 sides. 2 length and 2 breadth. So we can say length plus breadth plus breadth. Sir, now you can say how many length? 2 length. How many breadth? 2 breadth. So it will be 2 length plus 2 breadth. If 2 we can take as a common, then we can say 2 into length plus breadth. This is called common. Here 2, also here 2. So we can write 2 outside the bracket. So it will be length plus breadth and 2 outside. So 2 into length plus breadth, and we have to write unit. So this is the short form, length breadth, but you have to write details, length plus breadth, clear, or width, same things, breadth and width, same one. So perimeter of a parallelogram, perimeter of a parallelogram, what will be the formula? 2 into length plus breadth. Remember the last word, last sentence you have to say. Perimeter of a parallelogram means 2 into length plus breadth. Why length plus breadth? Because perimeter means sum of all side, 2 length, 2 breadth. So our formula 2 into length plus breadth. Now dear student, this is parallelogram, but if we discuss for rectangle, look, suppose this is a rectangle, look, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree, one right angle. So this is a rectangle. Now look, this is length, breadth and breadth. So same things. So if we say perimeter of a parallelogram, now if we say perimeter of a rectangle, then what will be? Look, the answer will be same, length plus breadth plus breadth. So this will be same. So also we can say perimeter of a parallelogram and perimeter of a rectangle, the formula is 100% same, 2 into length plus breadth unit, not square. Remember that. When we need to use square, when it will be formula for area, perimeter, not the area. Perimeter means the length of boundary. Yes, if suppose if it's your garden, now this your boundary, so the sum of the boundary, that means sum of the wall side, this is means perimeter. Clear? There is not multiply sign. When multiply sign, then you have to use square. Suppose area, length into breadth into, so we need to write square. So there you have to write only unit. Remember that this is the most important things here, only unit, not square unit. Clear? So this is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. So we can say perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a parallelogram both are same. Good. Now perimeter of square, what will be? Sir, suppose this is a square. Just thinking, this is a square. So this is the one side. So this is another side. And look, we know all sides are equal. So if we find the perimeter of a square, perimeter of a square, so what will be the our answer? Perimeter of a square, side plus side plus side plus side. Here side indicate means because here all sides are equal, so we written side. Clear? Now what will be side plus side? That means 4 side, or you can say 4 into side, or replacing side you can say length plus length plus length plus length. So it will be 4 into length unit. So if you know the length of one side, that means the value of one side, then you can say perimeter will be 4 into this side. Yeah, the value of this side. It will be the perimeter of a square, because we know perimeter means sum of one side. If we say perimeter of a triangle, so we know in a triangle there are 3 sides. So if we add these 3 sides of the triangle, then we will get the perimeter of the triangle. Yeah, very simple. Dear students, this formula about perimeter and area we have to use to solve our exercise B. And another 2 information, already you know, 100 meters square equal 1 r and 10,000 meters square equal to 1 hectare. When our area will be more than 100, we need to convert as a r. When our answer will be more than 10,000 meters square, then we need to convert as a hectare. Clear? Now dear student, go to the exercise 11b. Take your math book and open exercise 11b. Dear students, number 1, write a correct word in the blank boxes. Number 1, area of a parallelogram. Look, blank into blank. There are 2 blank boxes. So what will be the answer? Yes, base into height. Already we know our formula 1. And 2 number, area of a triangle. There, blank into blank divide 2. So what will be the answer in the blank 2 boxes? Yes, also base into height. Because there 2 is already given. Okay, dear students, 2 number. Calculate the area of the following figures. Look, there are 4 figures are given. Numbering, they are 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to find the area of these 4 figures. So at first we have to know what is the name of this shape. Suppose we can write at first number 1. Look, dear students, 2, number 1. Dear student, this is our given figure. So dear student, tell me, what is the figure of this shape? Yes, it is a triangle. We know it is a triangle. So this 5 centimeter, this 5 centimeter indicate base, the base of the triangle, and this 6 centimeter, this is indicate the height. Now we need to find the area of the triangle. So what will be the answer, dear students? So how you can write the answer? Clear? At first write here. Now write here base equal 5 centimeter and height equal 6 centimeter. This is our given information. Here base equal 5 centimeter and height equal 6 centimeter. Therefore, area of the triangle. We know this is a triangle. Clear? So area of the triangle equal. We know what is the formula? Base into height divided by 2. What will be? Square meter, or you can write square centimeter. But when you write the formula, you need to write square unit. Now base equal 5, height equal 6 and divided by 2. Now we can write square centimeter because 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now we can write square centimeter. But when you write the formula, you need to write square unit. Good. Now look, 5 6 are 30 and divided by 2 square centimeter. So 30 divided by 2, what will be the 15? Good. 15 square centimeter. So answer 15 square centimeter. Very simple. At first you have to write here base equal 5 centimeter, height 6 centimeter. Now we can say this is a triangle. So area of the triangle, base into height divided by 2 square unit. Now input your value, then you will give the required answer. Now dear students, look, problem number 2. This is another figure of triangle. Look, here base is 9 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. So similarly, you can solve problem number 2. Okay, dear students, I think you will be able to solve it. Now go to the problem number 3. So 2 number you can take as a homework. 3 number, look, this shape parallelogram. Good. And here 5 centimeter is the base and 6 centimeter is the height. Now dear students, also I am drawing it. Number 3. Here base 5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. This dot dot indicates, remember this dot dot indicate always height. Clear? So height 6 centimeter and base 5 centimeter. So at first we can write here base 5 centimeter, height equal 6 centimeter. Therefore area of a parallelogram. We know what is the formula? Good. Base into height divided by 2. No, because this is parallelogram. When triangle, then we have to write divided by 2. So it only base into height. Square unit. Now 5 into height 6 square centimeter or meter. Look, centimeter. So we have to write centimeter. Now 5 6 ja 30 square centimeter. So answer of the problem number 3, 30 square centimeter. Clear? Very simple. Now look, problem number 4. This is another shape of parallelogram. Here base is 2 meter. Here unit is the different meter and height is 10 meter. So again, by using this formula, base into height, input the 2 and 10, then it will be 20 square meter. Clear? So you will be able to solve problem number 4 to 4. Okay. Now dear student, go to the problem number 3. There is a rectangular shaped paddy field which weight is 750 meters and the length is 1200 meters. What is the area of this paddy field? So here length and weight, breadth and width, we know they are same meanings. Both are given. Now we have to find the only area. Clear? So dear student, at first write our given part. Problem number 3, at first write you given part. Now write given length of the field. What is the length of the field? 1200 meters. And width of the field equals 750 meters. Now area of the rectangular field. Look, this is a rectangular field. So what will be our formula? Length into breadth. That is what you can say square unit. At first you need to write the formula. Now input the value 1200 and there are 750. Good. Square, what will be the meter? Square meters. Now dear student, you need to multiply this 12 and 75. Look, 75 and 12, 5 to the 10, carrying 1, 7 to the 14, 1, 15. And now 5, 7, so 0, 0 and this one 9. So 900 and look, 1, 2, 3. 3 0 remaining. So now 1, 2, 3. So answer, what will be the answer? 90,000. Clear? 90,000 square meter. This is the answer. Clear? And now look, 90,000 square meter. Now we know when 1,000 square meter, when 10,000 square meter, sorry, when 10,000 square meter, then we need 1 hectare. Clear? So we can write, if we divide this by 10,000, now what will be the answer? Oh, dear student, this is 9 lakh. Clear? 9 lakh. Remember that. Now divide 10,000 square meter. Divide. Look, there are 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and there are 6 digits. So lakh. So 9 lakh square meter. And we know when more than 10,000 square meter, then we need to divide by 10,000. Now if we divide 10,000, then this will be hectare. Hectare. So dear student, what will be our answer? 0, 0, 0. Now 90 hectare. So our answer 90 hectare. So 9 lakh divided by 10,000. So our answer 90 hectare. Why we have to convert as a hectare? Because 10,000 square meter means 1 hectare. When the answer will be more than 10,000, you need to convert as a hectare. Clear? So we convert the according to the hectare. Clear, dear students? Okay. Now go to the problem number 4. Dear students, the width of a rectangular shaped park is 50 meter and its area is 4,250 square meter. What is the length of this park? Clear, dear students? Now what will be the answer? Look, here area is given and also width is given. So you have to find the length. That means you have to divide area divide width, then it will be our formula of length. Clear? So problem number 4, it will be your homework. I think you will be able to solve it. Now take another homework for you. Now dear student, write a homework. The area of a rectangular garden is 5R. And we know what is the meaning of R? 1R equal 100 meter square. So 5R, that means 500 meter square. Good. The length of the garden is 100 meter. Now how many square meter are equal to 5R? That means this 5R you have to convert as a square meter. That will be answer will be 500 square meter. Okay. Now B number, find the breadth of the garden. That means there at first you find the area. Now area divided by length, you will get the breadth. Good. Now another one, C, A, B. I can give the C. Find the perimeter. And we know what is the formula of perimeter. This is the rectangular garden. Find the perimeter of the garden in centimeter. Look, the information are given meter. At first you find the answer perimeter, find as a meter, then convert this meter as a centimeter, because we know 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. Clear? So dear student, what is your homework? This creative, this one your homework, and another problem number 2, 2, 4 and problem number 4. This is exercise 11B. Exercise 11B, 2, 4 and 4 number, and this creative question, this is your homework. I think you will be able to solve it by applying our this formula. It's very simple question. Clear, dear students? Thank you very much. No more today.